Welcome students, Metrology and Quality Control class में. So, in earlier lecture we saw the universal bevel protractor, how it is working, how we are taking the readings and everything. So, in this lecture we study sine bar and spirit level. The sine bar is concept is very important in the metrology in per angular measurement. If you see these figures, there is a sine bar and then spirit level, right? Content of the lecture: sine bar, use of sine bar, advantages and disadvantages, spirit level. Sine bar. Sine bar is one of the most accurate angle measuring device. It is used for measuring an angle as well as locating a workpiece required angle. It is used along with the slip gauges. So this is also one of the type of an angular measuring device. So sine bar is used to measure the angles based on the science principle. सो साइन बार जो है साइन प्रिंसिपल यूज करके हमने साइन बार को यूज करके हमने एंगल को मेजर करते हैं. इट इज मेड ऑफ हाई कार्बन हाई क्रोमियम रेसिस्टेंट स्टील इज hardened and ground and stabilized. So what was the material used for the sine bar? High carbon high chromium resistant steel. It will be hardened material. So if you see this figure, so this is an end face. Both are end faces. So these are the rollers, setting rollers, right? The setting rollers. So the both rollers will be symmetrical. So both lower rollers will be symmetrical. This is a lower surface. The relief holes will be provided for the sine bar to reduce the weight. So here, so the length of the sine bar, how we can specify the sine bar? By the distance between the parallel distance between the rollers. Maybe the length is maybe 100 mm, okay, maybe 200 mm, maybe 300 mm, like this sine bars will be there. So right, so when we are measuring the any angle, so we know much between the distance between the rollers, so then only we can find out the angle of the any unknown component. So if you see this figure, so this will be an sine bar. So the length between is this specified here 100 mm. So the distance between the roller, the distance between the sine bar, the distance is here 100 mm, means it is a 10 centimeter distance, right? It is in a 10 centimeter distance. So the relief holes are provided to reduce the weight of the sine bar. सपोज यूज ऑफ साइन बार, ये कैसे यूज करते हैं हमने. सपोज हमने एलियर स्लाइड में भी देखे हैं. तो इट विल बी यूज्ड बाय यूजिंग ऑफ स्लिप गेजेस. सपोज इफ यू आर सीइंग, these are the slip gauges. So we are using how much you want the slip gauges, that you can use it, right? तो locating any work to given angle. So कोई भी अगर हमने ये एंगल मेजर करना है कोई भी लोकेशंस का, so what will you have to do is, so we can find by using a sine bar, right? So suppose if you want to measure this an angle, right? You want to measure this an angle, right? What we have to do, as we discussed in the working principle of sine bar. So what is the working principle of sine bar? So sine means what? Sine means हमारा opposite side by हमारा hypotenuse side, right? Opposite side by hypotenuse side. So if you see this figure, hypotenuse side. If you see this figure, this will be like this, and like this. Means what? How it will be? Like this, right? What is this one? This one is L. This one is L. This one is L. Okay. What is this one? This one is H. This one is h. So h by l is equal to sin theta. Suppose it is in a theta condition, it will be n a sin theta is equal to h by l. H by l. Sin theta is equal to h by l. So what is h? H is the height of the slip gauge combination. Height of the slip gauge combination. What is l? Distance between the centers of the rollers. Distance between the centers of the rollers. And then what is theta? The angle to be set. How much angle you need? Okay, that much. Thus, knowing theta, h can be found out. Any work could be set as an angle. As the top of the sine bar is inclined at an angle theta to the surface plate, for better results, both the rollers could be placed at slip gauges height h1 and h2 respectively. Suppose if you want a better, so if surface plate may, then you can keep it. Then if you input any rollers between that one, that time you can take an h2 minus h1 by l. So this is another formula when we are using both side inside the roller. So this micrometer, the dial indicator purpose is if any unvariable means any 0.01 mm like that will be there, that reading will be shown by the reading. So how much reading it will comes in the h, that much of reading you can add with the dial indicator reading. So another one is measuring unknown angle. So unknown angle measure करने के लिए पहले क्या है, वर्क प्लेस में हमारा एंगल कितना है सेट करने के लिए. दिस वन इज मेजरिंग एन अननोन एंगल. सपोज a sine bar can also be used to measure unknown angles with a high degree of precision. The angle of the component is first found approximately with the help of bevel protractor. Suppose कोई भी अगर हमको वर्क पीस है, ये हमारा वर्क पीस है, हम वर्क पीस को मेजर करना चाहते हैं. So by using a bevel protractor we can find some angle, maybe 13 degrees, 14 degrees, how much it is, right? So after that you can find out the actual angle. So then the component is clamped to the sine bar and set up on the top surface of the plate. The angle gauge using a slip gauge. So this is a surface plate. What is the purpose of surface plate? The surface plate means the surface of the plate will be in a full accurately. There is no deviation at all. So that's why we are using as a gauge blocks, means slip gauge blocks we are using. So the dial indicator attached with the stand. So if any deviations will come on the dial indicator when we moving on the surface, that will give a reading. So the formula is theta is equal to sine inverse of h by l. Then you can find out the theta value. So this is an experiment we have in our laboratory. So when we are doing this sine bar experiment, so you keep these things in mind. So the formula for the sine bar is sine inverse of h by l. H is the height of the slip gauges, L is the distance between the rollers of sine bar. Means different sine bars will be there, maybe 100 mm, 200 mm, 300 mm. Based on that, while we are measuring the any angle of the component, so that time you must know the distance between the two rollers. The sine bar inherently become a increasingly intractable and inaccurate angle exceeds 45 degrees because of the following reasons. Suppose the sine bar जो है अगर 45 डिग्रीज का ऊपर में है, सो ये साइन बार जो है वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, क्योंकि ये एक्यूरेसी नहीं दे पाएगा, इम्प्रैक्टिकली नॉट पॉसिबल है. इफ लेस देन दैट विल बी देयर, देन यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई, राइट? So the sine bar is physically clumsy to hold in position. So sine bar को अगर 45 डिग्री से ज्यादा हो जाता है, उसको फिक्स करना तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होती है. The body of the sine bar obstructs the gauge block stack and even if you relieve, if above 45 डिग्री हो जाते हैं, तो गेज ब्लॉक्स ये सारा के लिए स्टैंड करने के लिए भी प्रॉब्लम होती है. Slight errors of the sine bar cause large angular errors. If any errors comes into the sine bar in slight error, it will give a large angular errors. And the long gauge stocks are not really as accurate as shorter gauge blocks. क्योंकि अगर ज्यादा आपने जोड़ दिया है तो गेज ब्लॉक्स नहीं, that will not be good. as compared to the shorter, right? A difference in deformation occurs at the point of roller contact to support a surface and to the gauge blocks. So because at higher angles the weight of load is shifted more towards the fulcrum of roller. So what happened, so any deformation will be there. वो surface gauge blocks क्या होते हैं, higher angle होने से the load is shifted from the fulcrum of roller, क्योंकि एक standard way में नहीं हो पाता है. The size of the gauges instrument spot the sine bar can aspect limited since it is designated to support large or heavy objectives. The size of the gauges instrument part the sine bar can inspect limited, only limited का भी use करना है since it is not designated to support large and heavy objectives. So heavy objects वगैरह होते हैं उसके लिए हम लोग में यूज नहीं हो पाते. Suppose if you see this is the setup how we can measure the any component. Suppose this is in a workpiece, this is in a workpiece, right? This is in a workpiece. So this is our sine bar, right? This is our sine bar. This is rollers. These are the rollers, right? These are the rollers. This is this is slip gauge. This is a slip gauge. So this is a dial indicator. Dial indicator with the stand. So when your whatever we are measuring with the angle, you can measure it. So if you measure the surface, so it will be in a parallel surface. The dial indicator will be showing a 0 reading. If any unwanted deviations will be occur, that reading will be shown in the dial indicator. So that reading also you can consider. This is the deviation of the slip gauge. You can add that much of dimension into the height of the slip gauge. The advantages and disadvantages of sine bar. So what is advantages? It is precise and accurate angle measuring device. So compared to other things, the sine bar is precise and accurate angle measuring device. आपको जितना है exactly आपको बता सकती है साइन बार में. इट इज सिंपल इन डिजाइन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन. सो इसको यूज करने के लिए तो कोई भी ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होते हैं. सो बट यू कैन यूज इन ए सिंपल वे. द कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डिजाइन इट विल बी सिंपल. Next, it is easily available. So if you want to go to market, you can buy the sine bar, means it is easily available. What are the disadvantages? It is fairly reliable at an angle less than 15 but become increasingly inaccurate as the angle increases. It is impracticable to use sine bar of angle above 45 degrees. If above 45 degrees will be there, so the angle must be, so it is not impractical. So if 45 degrees will be there, it is not possible to measure by using of sine bar. It is difficult to handle any and position the slip gauges because of when we are bringing together of the slip gauges. That time when we are inserting between the rollers, so that time we must be careful. Otherwise it again it will be fall down from the slip gauges. It will be create a big headache. Okay, the sine bar is physically clumsy to hold in a position. साइन बार को हमने होल्ड करना के लिए तो सरफेस वगैरह में क्लीन करना चाहिए, नहीं होगा तो इट्स ए प्रॉब्लम होगा. सो द एप्लीकेशन इज लिमिटेड फॉर ए फिक्स्ड सेंटर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द रोलर्स. सो एप्लीकेशन जो है तुम्हारा जिसके लिए आपने यूज कर रहे हो वो लिमिटेड है, क्योंकि तुम्हारा जो सेंटर पोजीशन ऑफ द रोलर्स जो है तुम्हारा जितना उसका फिक्स है, इसलिए हम एडजस्टेबल नहीं कर सकते हैं. स्लाइट एरर्स ऑफ साइन बार कॉज एन लार्ज एंगुलर एरर्स. सो इफ एनी स्लाइट एरर आएगा उसमें से क्या होते हैं, वो आपका एंगुलर अगर थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस भी है, एंगल जब मेजर करते हैं उस टाइम में आपका एंगुलर में ज्यादा तरीका से आपका जो है प्रॉब्लम को क्रिएट हो सकती है, क्योंकि छोटा सा मिस्टेक भी, छोटा सा भी एरर भी वो आपको बड़ा डिफरेंस दिखाएगा एंगल्स में. सो इसलिए साइन बार करने के टाइम में केयरफुली हम लोग रीडिंग वगैरह लेने हैं. तो साइन बार करने के टाइम में हम लोग ने ये याद करना है कि हमारा हम बिलो 45 डिग्रीज का मेजर कर रहे हैं कि अबव 45 डिग्रीज का मेजर कर रहे हैं. बिलो 45 डिग्रीज है इट्स ओके. अबव 45 डिग्री से है वो तो इम्प्रैक्टिकल में नहीं होते हैं. So this is the advantages and disadvantages of sine bar. नेक्स्ट स्पिरिट लेवल। व्हाट इज स्पिरिट लेवल? सो स्पिरिट लेवल हम लोग देखते हुए आए हैं हम लोग ने। सो ये स्पिरिट लेवल का काम क्या होते हैं, क्या है? The spirit level, a bubble level or simply level is an instrument designed to indicate whether the surface is horizontal or vertical. Different type of spirit level may be used. So spirit level हम लोग किस लिए यूज करते हैं? कोई भी हमारा सरफेस जो है तुम्हारा हॉरिजॉन्टल में है कि नहीं है, कोई भी सरफेस अपना वर्टिकल में है कि नहीं है, ये सब चेक करने के लिए हमने स्पिरिट लेवल को यूज करते हैं। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्पिरिट लेवल इज यूज्ड बाय कारपेंटर्स, स्टोन मेसन्स, bricklayers, other building trader workers, surveyors, millwrights and other metal workers, and some photographic or videographic work. So what happened? So the spirit level is used for all where we are measuring. Suppose if you go into construction any building, so they are also using in a plumb, right? Then there is a small spirit level will be there, right? And then if you want if you as a mechanical engineer we will install so many machines. So in that case what happened, the machine will be level or not, how we can check it? So by using of spirit level we can check it, the machines all will be in a particular level, then we can check it by using of a spirit level, right? It is an easily, we don't take any reading, we don't take any things on this one, because of the bubble will be shown, so it will be down or up. Maybe the bubble will be shown it is vertically or is vertically or not. So the spirit level will be shown clearly to us. So earlier tubular spirit levels are had very slightly curved glass vials with a constant inner diameter, each being point. These vials are completely filled with a liquid, usually colored speed alcohol, leaving bubble in the tube. They have a slight upward curve so that the bubble naturally rests in the center, the highest point. At a slight inclinations, the bubble travels away from the marked center position. Whereas spirit level must also be usable upside down on its side. So the curved constant diameter tube is replaced by uncurved barrel shaped tube with a slightly larger diameter in its middle. So in earlier type में so different type of whale glass tubes रहते हैं, लेकिन अभी वो चेंज किया है थोड़ा अनकर्व्ड शेप का barrel का सबसे। तो so alcohol such as ethylene are often used rather than the water. So water का जगह में हम लोग ने इथेनॉल अल्कोहल एथेनॉल का जगह में वाटर रेयरली आप लोग यूज करते हैं। अल्कोहल से है लो विस्कोसिटी and surface tension which allows the bubble to travel the tube quickly and settle accurately with a minimal interference from the glass surface. So ये अल्कोहल जो है लो विस्कोसिटी का चलते ये आके आपको यूज होते हैं सर्टेन कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी में। सो सपोज आप ना यहाँ पे हम कोई सरफेस हम मेजर कर रहे हैं, राइट? मेरा सरफेस ऐसा है, सपोज आपको बबल ऐसा आपको बनाना है आपका, सपोज तब क्या होगा, मेरा बबल अगर अपवर्ड इस साइड में है, आपको बबल क्या होते हैं इस साइड पे आ जाते हैं, राइट? आपका उस साइड जिस साइड में हाइट रहेगा उस साइड में आपको चला जाता है। जब आपको जिस साइड में डाउन रहेगा वो डाउन पे क्या होता है तुम्हारा बबल नीचे नहीं आएगा। सब जब आपका पैरेललिटी पे लेके आ जाएगा, जब पैरेललिटी यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, जब बबल आपका सेंटर पे आ जाएगा, मीन्स आपको ऊंचा में है कि नहीं होगा तो तुम्हारा कम में है कि उस तरीके से हमारा स्पिरिट लेवल बता देती है। क्योंकि कोई भी अजानवन व्यक्ति, कोई अनस्किल्ड पर्सन आल्सो कैन यूज ए स्पिरिट लेवल, राइट? So we are making any tables, we are making any components, so it will be in a horizontal, it will be in a vertical. By using our spirit level we can identify easily, so keep this spirit level concept. The spirit level is only in the tube by vertical purpose. If you see, this is measuring for vertical purpose, horizontal purpose, the both the things will be measured for inclined purpose. These are the handles. Some of the things also will be there. If it is in a vertical means vertical, if in an inclined means it is in an inclined, if in horizontal means if in for horizontal purpose, right? For horizontal purpose के लिए horizontal bubble use करेंगे whilst, and inclined purpose के लिए inclined वाला use करेंगे, एंड वर्टिकल के लिए हम लोग वर्टिकल का यूज करते हैं. दैट इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ए स्पिरिट लेवल. ऑल्सो सम ऑफ द स्पिरिट लेवल इज आल्सो लाइक दैट. Some of the spirit level is also like that. Both three combination will be there in the spirit level. So summary, what we have studied in this lecture, साइन बार के बारे में हम पढ़े हैं, यूज ऑफ साइन बार के बारे में पढ़ा है, एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ साइन बार हम पढ़े हैं, स्पिरिट लेवल के बारे में पढ़े हैं. सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज साइन बार. एग्जाम में बहुत सारा पूछ सकते हैं, व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस व्हाइल यूजिंग द साइन बार, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर टू मेजर द एंगल, अननोन एंगल बाय यूजिंग ऑफ साइन बार. So these objectives also will ask in the exams. These are the reference books. If you go through it, you know about more about the sign bar and spirit level. So in this lecture we studied sign bar and spirit level concept. So I hope you all are understood about the sign bar and spirit level concept. We will meet in next lecture. Thank you.